Hi and welcome to Cheri TV. I'm Cheri, pre and postnatal specialist, yoga instructor, fitness nutrition specialist, and a health coach. Today, I'm sharing with you 10 exercises to avoid if you have diastasis recti, and which exercises you need to do to heal and recover your ab separation. Let's begin. Diastasis recti. Diastasis means separation. Recti refers to ab muscles called the rectus abdominis, also known as six-packs ab. I have a video with a full explanation about diastasis recti. What is it, why it happened, how to heal it, and much more. If you need more knowledge about diastasis recti, this video is available to you in the description down below. If you're new here, please subscribe so you can enjoy all the practices I share to heal diastasis recti and all other fun postpartum yoga and workouts. All right, now let's get into our business. When we're trying to heal diastasis recti, very important is actually to avoid activating our rectus abdominis, which are our six-packs abs. We don't want to touch these muscles at all until they are completely healed and back together. Anything that can cause intra-abdominal pressure, coning or doming, we want to avoid. Here are 10 exercises to avoid while healing diastasis recti. Front plank pose, crunches, sit-ups, push-ups, burpees, pikes on a ball, ab wheel rolls out, rolling like a ball, V-sits, and rolls down. The reason we want to avoid these exercises is all of these exercises activate your rectus abdominis. They cause too much pressure and strain and coning and can cause even more complication of diastasis recti. We don't want it. We want first to heal our six packs and the linea alba, which is the connective tissue that connects in between our two abdominal walls. We want first to bring them back together and get the linea alba strong again. If something doesn't make sense, just let me know in the comments below and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Now, let's talk about the exercises we do want to do to heal ab separation and to bring these abdominal walls back together. To heal our diastasis recti, what we need to do is actually to work on activation of our transverse abdominis, also known as TA. The transverse abdominis muscles originates on your back and it wraps all around your sides and connect underneath into your rectus abdominis. TA muscles are actually the muscles that will help us to bring the six packs back together, heal the linea alba and diastasis recti. Here are a few of deep core exercises that you can begin with to heal your ab separation. The most important thing that we want to do in these exercises is to learn how to suck everything in. And in every lying exercises, there should be no gap in between your back and the floor and no coning or doming in the belly. That action will activate and reignite the transverse abdominis muscles. As we move through each exercise, we want to maintain back to floor connection the entire time. First exercise, heel slides. Squeezing the navel to the lower back into the floor. Shh. You're already supposed to feel a nice firing sensation in your deep core muscles. Move slow and mindfully. working to reignite, reactivate our deep core. Breathe. Second, marching. And begin to march. Lift one leg, lower the other, and lower. Squeezing the lower back into the floor, and march. And march. March and march. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Third, toe taps. And let's begin. You're gonna tap one toe to touch the mat, lift, switch the other one, and switch, and switch. Ignite your breath. Woo! Working on that diastasis recti, ab separation. Closing the gap, closing the gap. Fourth, bird dog. Switch. Down, switch. Glue the navel to the lower back. Make sure that your belly is not hanging here. You can always place one hand to the belly and check. So you want to create a vacuum, sucking in the belly. Fifth, side plank. Stop each other. If you need to modify, you're gonna lower the bottom knee down, left hand to your hip or up to the sky. Just holding here. Inhale, you want extra challenge. You're gonna reach that left arm to the front, maybe tickle your baby. Lift your hips as high as you can. Breathe, mama. That's a great exercise to rebuild your core after pregnancy. For more exercises to heal your diastasis recti, go ahead and save my diastasis recti exercises playlist and begin to feel them in your bones, rather in your deep core. Also, grab my free Diastasis Recti guide ebook where I share with which exercises to begin and how to progress as you go and everything you need to know about Diastasis Recti. Let me know if you found this video beneficial by leaving me a heart emoji in the comments below. It will mean the world to me. Also, let me know if you have any questions or comments about Diastasis Recti or about what we've covered today. Post them in the comments and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Like, subscribe, and share to help me spread the message to all moms around the world to heal properly postpartum. What's next? Hop into Diastasis Recti exercises with me and let's get these 6-pack abs back together. Thank you so much for watching and sharing your time with me today. Have a beautiful the rest of your day. From my heart to yours, take care.